Every year, thousands of people in the United States search for a shortcut to fix their bad credit. A fast, easy way to start fresh. No history, no debt, no waiting. And that's where three little letters appear everywhere online. CPN. They stand for Credit Privacy Number, and they're often sold as a clean alternative to your Social Security number. But here's the truth: that clean start you're being promised can easily turn into the biggest financial mistake of your life. Because a CPN isn't a secret credit hack. It's a trap, one that's cost people their money, their freedom, and even their identities. Let's break it down, step by step. 1. What a CPN really is. A CPN, or Credit Privacy Number, is often advertised as a legal substitute for your Social Security number. Scammers claim it's perfectly fine to use this number to apply for credit cards, loans, or even apartments. But here's the first dark truth: there is no legal replacement for your SSN. Every credit application in the United States is tied directly to your Social Security number because it's how banks verify who you are. When someone gives you a CPN, what you're really getting is a fake identity, sometimes even stolen from real people, including children and seniors. That means the moment you use it on an official credit or loan form, you're committing federal fraud. 2. How scammers trick you. These CPN sellers look legitimate. They have polished websites, testimonials, and sometimes even credit repair specialists on calls. They'll promise a new credit profile, a clean slate for just a few $100s. They'll tell you, use this number to apply for new credit. Start over without your bad history. But what they don't tell you is that you're signing up for identity theft. Many CPNs are simply stolen Social Security numbers that belong to someone else. So, when you start using one, the system detects that the SSN belongs to another person, and you're immediately flagged for investigation. 3. What really happens when you use a CPN. Here's what happens behind the scenes. When you submit a loan or credit application using a CPN, the bank system automatically tries to match that number with IRS and Social Security databases. And when it doesn't match your legal name and date of birth, your application is red flagged. From there, it can trigger a fraud alert. Your application could be denied, your account frozen, or worse, your name could end up in a federal investigation. People have been arrested and charged for using CPNs to get credit cards, car loans, and even apartments. And the defense, "I didn't know it was illegal," doesn't hold up in court. 4. The hidden cost. Beyond the legal risk, CPNs destroy your chance of ever building real credit. Banks share data, and once your identity is flagged, getting approved in the future becomes nearly impossible. You might save a few months of frustration, but you'll lose years of trust in the system. And in finance, trust is everything. So, that quick fix, it doesn't just fail, it backfires. The path you thought would lead to freedom can lock you out of the system completely. 5. The right way forward. If your credit is bad, there's only one real solution: rebuild it. Pay your bills on time. Keep your credit utilization low. Dispute genuine errors on your report. And give it time. It's slower, yes, but it's real. And real progress always lasts longer than fake shortcuts. Because the truth is, banks, lenders, and credit bureaus don't want to punish you. They want to see proof that you've learned how to handle credit responsibly. That's the trust they reward. The dark truth about CPNs is simple: they're not private, not legal, and not worth the risk. You can't trick the system. You can only build within it. So, if anyone ever promises you a new credit identity, remember this: they're not selling you freedom. They're selling you a lie. Fix your credit the right way. Stay patient, stay consistent, and protect your name. Because your real identity is worth more than any fake number.